Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Let's get it. Today we're going to be unboxing something really cool. Something I didn't even know if I really was going to unbox because I already got it, man. We're talking about these right here, AirPods. If you don't have any, you really don't want them. And if you got them, then you love them. So we got the brand new AirPods right here. Not these. Let's show you the new ones. So got these from the Apple store. Brand new AirPods Pro 2. They're gonna be very similar to these with a whole bunch of kickbacks inside the eardrum with that brand new H1 chip, and then the ability to be able to turn the volume up and down, and to be able to find these without using an AirTag. So I'm super excited about that, man. Enough talking. Let's get into this box. I just love the pill sound right here. That's so satisfying, man. I'm gonna peel the bottom. And just like that, we're set to go. So we got all the pills out. Let's get to the frills. Set this to the side for now. Inside, as always, we're gonna have some literature. No Apple stickers. That would have been really cool if we had that. Set that to the side. Designed by Apple in California. We're used to that already. Regulatory information, stuff that you're really not going to use. But here's the star of the show right here. The brand new AirPods Pro 2. Let's set this aside and see what's at the bottom. See if you all can see that there. We have the little holster here for all of our ear tips. Let's open it up and see what we come with. I'm dropping stuff everywhere, guys. Let's see. Cool, man. So we got the extra small, small, and large. So there you go. Pick your poison. And then up under, if now you already don't have enough of these, USB-C to lightning. So I probably got to check my other box too, man. I think I still got that lightning cable in there too. Because once you use one, I don't think I need any more. Okay, let's set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and unbox these, man. Really nice sound. Cool. And there we go. The brand new star of the show. One thing you'll notice between these and the other ones, let's pull these up side by side, is that you got some speakers down here, right? So previously, if you lost your AirPods, wasn't really a way to track them. I did have something really cool. I'm going to show you all right quick. Got this off of Amazon for these right here. You put an AirTag in here. That way you can hear your AirPods when they're lost. So something cool I picked up. But these new ones, I don't think you'll even need that, right? You got the speaker right here, lightning to USB. Another speaker right here, and then on this side right here, you'll see that they have a lanyard. So we know Apple is going to hit us up for maybe $40 for a lanyard right here. Please check Amazon, or the Apple one may be cool. We'll see. Other than that, guys, there's no real difference aesthetically between these two. Like if I was to switch them up, you probably wouldn't tell unless you looked at the bottom there or look for a lanyard. So we already talked about some of the main differences between these two, right? You got the lanyard right here, as well as the speakers down at the bottom. But all the other improvements with this year's AirPods Pro 2 is going to be up under the hood. Again, you get the speakers down at the bottom, which will help you when you're trying to look for Find My. These are now included right within the Find My app. You can track both AirPods and the case, which is pretty cool. One of the other things that I really like about these right here, man, is that they have MagSafe on them. You previously could do it with these, but these are definitely built for MagSafe for you to be able to charge them up. One of the other things that you're really going to love is the ability to be able to turn the volume up and down with just a swipe of the fingertip there versus saying, hey, you know who, to be able to turn it down with these bad boys right here. So when it comes down to it, man, my overall view, is this worth the upgrade? You just paid $250 for these a year and a half or 2 years ago, and now we got the same price tag of the $250. Are these really worth it? In my opinion, yes, man. And if you want to go ahead and grab them, I will go ahead and get them. If not, It's nothing wrong with these bad boys. But what I will tell you, one of the biggest differences that I've noticed that I really, really love is the improved noise cancellation that they have on these. So if you're out and about, you're running or anything like that, you put the noise cancellation on with these, the OG ones, it's like, yeah, man, it kind of drowns out the sound. But these, it gets on what I like to call deaf mode. And I mean, it's completely grim. You can't hear anything, and I absolutely love it. Now, if you're out running or you're doing some errands and you kind of walk about the street or something like that, I definitely would recommend using the transparency mode. That way you can make sure that you're still staying safe while you're out there. These new AirPods Pro 2 have already hit the shelves, and they should be hitting your home very soon if you like them. Again, man, thanks for checking out the video. Until the next video, it's been Steph. Let's get it.